हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू हग्स एंड गिगल्स। तो आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और एंटरटेनिंग है बिकॉज इट्स माय ब्रोज बर्थडे। आई हैव प्लान्ड अ सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी फॉर हिम, भाभी और बच्चों के साथ मिलकर। आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू शेयर दिस विद यू ऑल। वीडियो को एंड तक पक्का देखना क्योंकि लास्ट में बहुत सारा फन है और पंजाबियाँ दा डांस। सो डोंट मिस द फन एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So my brother's house is 2 minutes away, so I went there at 2:30 p.m. because मुझे decorations भी करनी थी और कुछ काम मेरे niece और nephew ने पहले से ही किया हुआ था. So I started with the banner first because I was not satisfied with it, and literally it took us very long time to fix this क्योंकि वो बार-बार उतरी जा रहा था. But finally we fixed it, and next was balloons. So we taped the balloons on both sides of the banner to make it more attractive and beautiful. Now look at my niece. Her name is Pari and she's busy singing and dancing in front of the camera in her own world. And I just love her. So we had these beautiful fans for the decoration and we pasted them on the wall too. After that, we had one more banner left from Pari's birthday, so we fixed it on the entrance door, which really looked amazing. After a lot of time, I had fun with my niece and nephew. We pulled each other leg और बहुत सारी मस्ती की. Lastly, we blowed some more balloons to keep them on the floor. So our decoration was almost done and now it was time for cleaning the mess. Now let me show you our decorated room, and I was very happy with the outcome. After that I went to get ready because decoration was done and food was already cooked by Bhabhi. We just ordered pizza and chocolava cake from outside. Bhabhi cooked a lot of food for us. Pasta, Chinese, idli, sweets and whole dinner. She is a superb woman. क्योंकि मैं तो इतने सारे खाने का नाम सुनकर पहले ही डर जाती हूँ. So this was the birthday cake and we were all set to give him surprise. Some friends also joined us for this celebration and finally that surprise moment came. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Best brother in the whole world! After cutting the cake, we ate yummy snacks and our favorite pizza and chocolate cake. Hi, Arza. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. No, you don't want to eat? Again. One more time. Hi, buddy.
Bye,
Hi, Balu. And you?
Yes.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Do you like pizza, Arza?
Arza, do you like pizza? This is pizza. Oh.
Yellow. Now enjoy this special dance prepared by the girls. So this is how we celebrated his birthday. We had a lot of fun, musty and danced after a long time. I hope you like this vlog. This was our second vlog, and if you haven't watched our first Rakhi vlog, then do watch it and let me know in the comment section below how do you celebrate birthday with your family and friends. Do let us know if you want to see more vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and press the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.